All right, guys, we're going to make a toilet paper roll planter today. So for this activity, you're going to need the following materials: a pair of scissors, a pen or a marker, some empty toilet paper rolls, which I know you guys should all have at your house, some kind of seeds, and some soil. I've got mine in an old pan here. If you don't have any seeds at your house, you can always go outside and look for some just on the ground. There's maple seeds all over. Look for some seed pods that maybe fell out of the trees that are around your house. Okay guys, so the next step in this activity is you are going to grab your empty toilet paper roll and your marker or your pen, and you're going to make 4 lines along the bottom, okay? And your lines are going to look like this. They're going to be about 1 inch long. There's 1. So you're going to make 4 lines like that. You want to space them out pretty evenly. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the opposite side and make my lines. You can always have your parents help you out with this part, okay? So there I've got 1, 2. Now I'm going to make 2 more lines in the middle of those. 1. And 2. All right, so I've got my 4 lines. They're equally spaced apart. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is grab my scissors. Now we always hold scissors safely like this until we're ready to use them. I'm ready to use mine, so I'm going to go ahead and get my hands in the right position, and I'm going to cut right along my 4 lines that I made. So I'm going to cut 1, cut 2, cut 3, and cut 4. All right, so now I have my 4 cut marks made, and now that I've cut those, I'm going to go ahead and bend the cardboard in towards the middle. 1, I'm going to bend the first flap in. Now I'm going for the second flap. There's number 2. There's number 3. You're going to just kind of fold this part in a little bit. And there's number 4. And there you have it. Now the bottom is flat, and I can fill the inside of this with soil. Okay, and for the very last step of this project, I decided to go ahead and make 3 of these little pots. So I'm going to put them in this little box together. 1, 2, and there's pot number 3. They're in there nice and cozy. And then the next thing I'm going to do is fill them up with soil. There's 1. And once I fill it up with soil, I'm going to take one of my seeds. There's 1. And I'm going to put it in, I'm going to push it down in the middle with my finger a little bit. And then I'm going to get 1 more small scoop of soil. All right. And now all it needs is a little water and a little sun and lots of time. And eventually I'm going to have some sweet pepper plants. All right, and you're just going to do the same thing with all your other pots. You can make as many or as few as you want. All right, guys, have fun.